Prime Minister Narendra Modi has kick-started his 5-nation tour and is currently in Ghana. This marks his first bilateral visit to the country. During his visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday said that India and Ghana are in complete agreement that terrorism is an enemy of humanity. He also thanked Ghana for its cooperation in India's fight against terror. Further, he also held delegation-level talks with Ghana's president during his first ever bilateral to the West African country. Remember, apart from Ghana, PM Modi is also scheduled to visit Argentina, Namibia, Brazil, Trinidad and Tobago. It is also during his visit that the PM will attend the BRICS summit in Brazil. Let's in fact listen in to what he had to say.
हम एक मत है कि आतंकवाद मानवता का दुश्मन है। आतंकवाद के खिलाफ हमारी लड़ाई में सहयोग के लिए हम गाना का आभार प्रकट करते हैं। इस संदर्भ में हमने काउंटर टेररिज्म में आपसी सहयोग को और मजबूत करने का निर्णय किया है। यूएन रिफॉर्म्स को लेकर हमारा दृष्टिकोण एक जैसा है। पश्चिम एशिया और यूरोप में चल रहे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को लेकर हम दोनों ने गहरी चिंता व्यक्त की है। हमारा मानना है कि युद्ध का युग नहीं है। डायलॉग और डिप्लोमेसी से ही समस्या का समाधान होना चाहिए।
Well, that was the Indian Prime Minister. My colleague Ghazali joins us on the telecast to give us more updates on this. Ghazali, we just heard the Prime Minister talk about this. Previously as well, we've heard other ministers talk about India's fight against terror. What sort of a message does this send to the world?
See, the Prime Minister has been very categorical when it comes to India's stand on terrorism. And very significantly, this visit of Prime Minister, one of the longest he has undertaken in his third tenure, that it is almost an extension of Operation Sindoor and how the interministerial delegation went on to different countries, taking India's message on terrorism. So now Prime Minister is there in African region and he is reiterating their stand that this is not the time of war, this is not the time of conflict. But at the same time, he reiterates that when it comes to terrorism, every nation should oppose it. India has undertaken that fight against terrorism after the Pahalgam terror attack. And the clear message is that Prime Minister in Africa, we saw the External Affairs Minister who is in the United States, both the top leaders of India are going to the global stage, taking India's stand against terrorism and asking everyone to condemn Pakistan. In the larger context, it is how India's diplomatic outreach is going on to isolate Pakistan at global stage.